a wheatie. It's a wheatie, but looks like the face of it might be wiped. Oh, I might get something off of it. Let's see. No, I'm not going to get nothing off of it. I'll let you know. Okay, it's green. So, let's see what it is. It's out of the hole. There's Honest Abe. And it's a wheatie. Yep, it's a wheatie. Oh, can't see a date. There it is. Okay, found something else here. This got a little bow tie or something on it. Part of the suspender clasp here. Cool. Okay, it's right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see what it is. Oh, got Abe coming out. And it's a wheatie. Can't see the year. I don't even know why I try to look without these. 19's all I can see on it. Oh, 40 something. 1940 something. Okay, it's out of the hole. It's a suspender clasp. It says Triway Police, maybe? It's not all there. Then patented. I don't know. Okay, got a coin. Oh, a memorial. Okay, I'm out in the field and I think I found where the old house was. Because I hit a ton of iron in here. It's just all chopped up. But I found a coin. Let's see. You know what I'm hoping it is. But that's Abe. It's not an Indian. But it is a wheat. So hopefully this is an older wheat penny. It looks like a 37, so we're getting there. According to what I've seen on the maps, this is an 1876 house site. That's no longer there. But here, I'll let you hear what I'm listening to. Let me turn off the headphones. Let me try to turn off the headphones. There we go. Let me put it That's what I'm listening to. So I think I found it. Let's hope we can find an Indian. The junk. This is for about, I'd say maybe 10 hours of hunting. Lots and lots of junk. Then I got, it was hard digging. Lots of trashy signals. I got 7 dimes, 6 wheat pennies, and then what, 7 memorials, 5 quarters. Got a suspender clasp here. It says something Tri-Way Police. Here's another suspender. It's got a fancy little ribbon on it. Got some fine china. Got a whole dinnerware set. Got a knife, fork, spoon. Spoon says something on it. Let's see what it says on it. Oh, a little valve. A gear, I think that's probably, I don't know what that's off of, maybe a watch, but it's kind of heavy, so I don't know what that's off of. Little pocket knife, not very old. This, I don't know if that's off a tractor or Model T. I'll look that up, see what that is. This, I think, oh. This, I think, is off of an oil lamp. Looks like it might be. It's got the little slot right there. Okay, this, I think, is an old air nozzle. I did find the old house site. I'm going to go back there because I was getting a lot of iron. I showed you there. Now for the space stuff. That. I don't know what that is. And then an alien probe. Yeah, I think that's what the alien autopsies are done with. And that's it. I'll be going back. Thanks for watching.